Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with a head-to-head comparison between the DROCON drone and the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. Buckle up because this is going to be one aerial showdown you don't want to miss. First up, let's talk cameras. The DROCON drone is rocking a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a decent smartphone strapped to a flying machine. Reviewers appreciate the camera quality, noting it's sufficient for most purposes, especially for casual use and social media posts. But wait, TOMZON P5G isn't here to play around. It packs a 4K camera with remote 90 degrees adjustment and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. That's right, 4K. It's like strapping a mini Hollywood studio to your drone. Reviewers are impressed with the image and video quality, making it ideal for capturing detailed aerial shots. So if you're looking to capture every pimple on your friend's face from the sky, TOMZON P5G is your go-to. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. DROCON drone will set you back $109. Not bad, right? Reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially given the features it offers, making it a great entry-level option. On the flip side, TOMZON P5G is priced at $159. That's a bit steeper, but hey, you get what you pay for. Reviewers feel the higher price is justified by the advanced features and superior camera quality. Think of it as upgrading from fast food to a fancy restaurant. Your wallet might cry a little, but your footage will thank you. Flight time is crucial. DROCON offers a respectable 24 minutes with its 2 batteries. Reviewers find this sufficient for casual flying sessions and short filming projects. But TOMZON P5G flexes with a whopping 36 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended flight time, noting it's perfect for longer shoots and more extensive aerial explorations. You could probably film an entire episode of a reality TV show with that. Let's talk features. DROCON is loaded with headless mode, one-key start, land, altitude hold, and even voice control. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly features, making it a versatile and fun drone for beginners. Meanwhile, TOMZON P5G brings the heat with GPS auto-return, follow-me mode, circle flight, and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. Reviewers highlight its advanced features that enhance the flying experience and ensure the drone never gets lost. It's like the James Bond of drones. Always knows where it is and never gets lost. Finally, portability. DROCON is foldable and comes with a handy suitcase. Reviewers love its compact design and ease of transport, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. TOMZON P5G also comes in a waterproof carrying case, making it perfect for those spontaneous adventures where you might end up in a lake. Reviewers appreciate the durable case, ensuring the drone is protected during travel. Because who doesn't love unplanned swims, right? Overall, reviewers find the DROCON drone to be a great entry-level option with good value for money, especially for casual use and beginners. However, it has some limitations in terms of camera quality and wind resistance. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone impresses reviewers with its superior camera quality, advanced features, and extended flight time, making it a better choice for those willing to invest a bit more for a premium experience. So which drone should you buy? If you're on a budget and just getting started, DROCON drone is your buddy. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for that 4K goodness and extended flight time, TOMZON P5G is your new best friend. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart comparison. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.